Hey, what's up everybody? Coach Aaron here with Super Vegans, and today I got something for the busy people. The people who consistently are on the go, don't have enough time to meal prep. I'm going to do something here today that's going to make it so much easier for you, where you're going to be able to get your meal prep done in an hour or hour and a half tops. All right? Stick with me. All right, so this is what we're going to meal prep today. Everything that I got from Trader Joe's. So this is a really fast Trader Joe's meal prep, okay? So we are going to go with the high protein organic tofu, brown rice, broccoli. All right, so we are going to have a sweet and sour tofu. With the brown rice, I'm going to work in some sesame oil, coconut, I think it's the Coconut Aminos, as well as some Sriracha in the brown rice. And then with the broccoli, I'm going to just season it with some Himalayan pink sea salt, as well as some onion salt and the 21 Salute seasoning from Trader Joe's. All right, guys, so with the tofu, this is extra firm tofu. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this here into slices. We're trying to get this into small chunks. And then I'm just going to put this in the skillet with some olive oil and let that brown for a while. So if you can see, I cut that into slices like that, and then what I do is I just go here and then turn that around and just boom, get these small little chunks. Makes it much easier to cook, as well as when I measure things out, it makes it so much easier. All right, guys, so now that we got the tofu all chopped up, we got it in small chunks, ready to go in the pan. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Put that in. And then I'm just gonna put that tofu in, and we are going to let that cook and let that brown, and then I'll put the rest of the tofu in there as this starts to brown up. And while we're cooking the tofu, and the reason I'm calling this a really fast meal prep is because I'm gonna throw the broccoli in the microwave for probably like a minute and a half, and then I'm gonna saute it in the wok. The rice, we're gonna put that in the microwave for about 3 minutes, and the rice will be done. And then all I have to do is put the seasoning on the rice, and the rice is good to go. And then once we get the tofu to where we want it, and then as we get the broccoli in the wok, then I will season it while it's sauteing in the wok. Take everything out, package it in our meal prep containers, and we're ready to go. All right, guys, so we have the tofu working right now. We're just trying to get that a little brown so then we can add the sauce. Another thing, I didn't put any seasoning on the tofu because the sweet and spicy sauce is going to give it so much flavor. All right, so now in the wok, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil right in there. And then I'm just gonna add the broccoli that we had in the bag, and I'm gonna saute that right there. And then I'm just gonna Work that around. All right. And this broccoli sautés really fast, just because we warmed it up in the microwave, so it doesn't take that long. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is the Trader Joe's onion salt. I'm going to add a teaspoon of that on the broccoli. 21 seasoning salute. Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's be killing it, man. They got some good shit. All right. Now, we're just going to give Trader Joe's pink Himalayan. So we're just going to give this like 2 turns, and that's about it. 1, 2, boom. All right. Now, we're just going to mix that all in. And I'm telling you, that little seasoning mixture right there gives the broccoli so much flavor. It brings the flavor out in the broccoli. My son, he loves it. You know, he's only 19 months and he loves it. So this might help your kids get some of that green vegetables in, you know. So yeah, right there, and we just let that saute, and then boom, it's done, ready to go. All right, guys, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna give some flavor to our brown rice, because we all know brown rice is boring by itself. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna give a tablespoon of sesame oil, tablespoon of Coconut Aminos, Trader Joe's. Stuff is good, man. And then Sriracha, 1 teaspoon. Then we just mix that in, mix it up. Already smells good. And there we have it. Our brown rice is flavored with toasted sesame oil, coconut aminos, and sriracha. Tastes good. All right, so now we're about to plate and package our meal prep. Like I said, this is a super easy meal prep day. It's super fast. You really don't have any craziness that you need to do. So now what we're gonna do is plate. We're gonna use about a cup right there, the tofu. And then I'm gonna put that here in my little thing that I use to package my meals. And then for the rice, I'm going to use a cup of the rice right there. And then I'm gonna just put that, boom, right there. And then for the broccoli, I'm going to use a cup of broccoli. And so let's see here. I love broccoli, so usually I do like maybe a cup and a half, 2 cups. I know that's crazy, but here we go. So there it is right there. And I mean, like I said, guys, it's super easy. This right here took me about an hour to complete. Maybe a little bit less than that. I think it was less than an hour for me to complete this for 5 meals. Super easy, but yet it tastes good and it's not gonna be boring. All right, guys, so we're all done. This is, and let me tell you, this is just my meals for lunch. So this is not a full day. I just want to show you how easy it is and how fast you can get through meal prep. I know that a lot of my clients sometimes have trouble with meal prepping. So I just want to make videos to show you that it's really simple. In the future, I'm going to make videos to show you a full day of meal prepping and how we can do it in a smooth and in a quick time. All right. So 5 meals, like I said, I usually prep my meals Monday through Friday, and then on Saturday and Sunday, I like to just cook here, so I'm not just warming up food and eating it throughout the week. So I'm eating something fresh and something new on my weekend, and I'm not bored. All right. So there you have it. There it is. It's the sweet and spicy tofu. And then we have like an Asian style type of rice with sesame oil, coconut aminos, and the sriracha. And then we have the broccoli with the 21 seasoning salute, onion salt, and the pink Himalayan sea salt. Done. I also want to give you guys a reminder, and this is also going to be in the description, but also know that using olive oil, using the sauces that I've used, also are added calories. So when you're using these things, make sure you look at the nutritional facts on the back so you understand the portion size and how many calories come in that portion size, as well as the breakdown of the macronutrients, how much protein, carbs, and fats is in the sauce. That's extremely important. Okay, once again, that's going to be in the description, so you know. Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you for watching today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you liked what you saw today, if you liked the video, click that like button because that really helps us out. And if you want more content like you saw today, hit that subscribe button because that also helps us out. And don't forget to hit that bell. Leave a comment to let us know what you want to see in the future, okay? Because we're here for you, all right? So thank you again for watching. Peace.